yesterday we were discussing on the duplicate parts, right? Okay. So to find duplicates, first we'll copy this data and paste it here. Okay. Let me remove this temporarily. So this is what I have pasted. Don't find not file records. Okay. What you can do is select this column, data, then remove duplicates. You'll get this pop-up. Only one column is there. Click on OK. Here, next step is to sort this data by customer ascending order. Here, now you need to take some 3 characters, or first apply length. Okay, length of each cell. In this particular cell, there are 21 characters, including space, full stop, everything.
Space also.
Everything, including space, full stop, whatever which is visible, non-visible, everything total is 21. Okay, so like that we apply for everything. Now apply filter on this and check the lowest value, which is 3. Okay, highest value is somewhere 25 and lowest value is 3. Okay, so take the lowest value first. Check if there is too many lowest values. Only one is there. If you take 4 is also very few. Take which is more. Let's take 6. Okay, 6 we have too much. Okay, consider 6 as a base. Okay, what we need to do is equal to left is the formula. I need to take left side from this text. Okay, from the left side, meaning first character will be A, then S, A, B, S, it will come like that. Okay, but in number of characters, what you need to do is you need to apply another function which is min. Okay, min of either B column or 6 column. So 6 was the highest, which was having so many data, right? So I took 6 or 3. If it is 3, you take 3. If it is 4, you take 4. Minimum you take 6. Understood that step? Okay, close bracket, enter. Do the same thing for everything. Okay, you got this data? Okay. Now the final step that you need to do is not final, at least one step below. What I can do is equals to count if from this entire data, criteria is the same cell. Okay, but you need to do and symbol. In double quotes you need to type star. Okay, so if it is 1, then almost it will be unique. If it is more than 1, then that is a duplicate. See, AMSIA media, AMSIA. There are chance. Half time sports and half time sports inc. Chances there. Connect with comma, without comma. OHAP, there may be something as also, which you know. Savile sync, right? Synthetic school, synthesis school. Some you would have identified manually, but this can also give you some results.
Everything is correct.
but yesterday there was other also, no, unit 21,
Unit 20.
which
No,
is not there.
that
That's
is
why
it.
I didn't tell you it is 100% accurate.
Okay, somehow we can.
Some
But
at least.
Unit 25, the character why we will
Okay, I will show. I will tell you why it didn't come. Unit 21, right? So unit 21 has 4. Unit 2 has only 1. There, unit 21 without space was there. That's why it didn't hit up.
Okay.
Right? So this is one method. If you want to learn, improvise certain more, but that will be much more complicated. To try, I will explain it. In
I
later part, you can try understanding it slowly and then apply it. Okay. So what I need to do is first search for spaces within this. Okay. What I will do, search function. Okay. In this search, we need to identify space. So find text is within double quotes, space, double quotes. Okay. Where I need to find? I need to find within this. Okay. Start number can be 0 or you can leave it blank. Okay. Instead of search, use find, because find is okay. Find is case sensitive. Let's use find. If it is not find, better to go with search. Search function. Find text is space. Within text is 0. Let's remove the last part. Okay. Use only what to search, where to search. Remember that. This is what to search. This is where to search. So within this, ninth character is space, meaning after T there is a space. Okay. Same way you apply for all. Okay. So here there was no space. Where there is no space, use this method. Where there is space, now you have to use this method. Okay. So now the same procedure again left. After this, take this. Okay. Apply for everything. Now use again countef within this range, the same character with double quotes star and double quotes star double quotes. Okay. So here first you need to filter only where there is names. Okay. Value errors I am not considering it here. Here you will get few more. Half time. Raw juicy can be or cannot be. Let's see why unit. Here also it will not come. One was with space, one was without space, right? That's why. Where space was not there.
90% the company name will be correct only. Maybe rare only it will not be correct.
Okay. Here also you can try decreasing some values. That also it will come, but it is not 100% accurate. At least some of the manual work you can reduce.
Because the data is less.
Even if the data is huge,
I
also
cannot memorize too much.
by looking at, sometimes you will be overlooking the data. You will not be knowing whether it is actually duplicate or without duplicate. Because with this, at least you identified two more, which was not part earlier. Something you can at least control. Understood now?
Yeah.
Okay. So what should we do with this duplicates? Should we combine it into one?
We can combine into one.
Okay. Sometimes you might have to need clarity because when we looked into this, there may be company which was different like this. Amnesia looks like
Bronze category. The developer name is same.
Hmm.
So start date also same. So it is correct only. Amnesia Media only.
Both are Amnesia Media and this one Synthesis.
Different developer name. It is correct only. Synthetic school only.
School only, right? So this first you need to rectify. Okay. Let me first update Amnesia. Amnesia and Amnesia Media. So both will be Amnesia Media, right?
And half time you correct. Synthesis you leave out. I will just check out with myself.
Okay. Time. Sports Sync.
Ah,
Okay. Then K4 Connect. Okay. Then we have which one?
First one.
Okay.
And this Unit 21.
Savills.
Savills. Same customer.
Savills Sync or only Savills?
Savills.
Which one? Without space or with space?
We give without space only.
Synthesis, I'm leaving it separate. Anything else that you have identified which was not there?
Everything is covered.
Just tell one by one which you have identified manually.
Unit 21.
That is done.
Synthesis. Unit 21. K4 Connect.
That is done.
What?
That is done. Remember you told one more extra.
Savills.
Savills is done.
What's all this?
synthesis is extra that we need to confirm.
You have to confirm because the developer name is different.
Hmm.
I cannot trust him.
Hmm. Okay. Same procedure we have to do for developer also now. Okay. Paste this data. Then again select this. Remove duplicates. Only one column is here. Click OK. So 286. Then second step, sort this data ascending order. Okay. Then third step, what will be the third step?
Equal to
Length. Length of this character. Do the same thing for everything. Filter and check for the lowest value, which is 7. If I take 7, only 1 is there. If you take 9, very small. 10 is also somewhat small. 11 also small. 12, 12 is big. Okay, let's take 12. So formula will be left of this character, comma, min of either this cell or 12. Okay. Now what will be the formula after this to identify?
What we are searching, where we are searching.
This is COUNTIF.
Count.
COUNTIF in this entire data, search for the same data with the and symbol, then star, then double quotes. Okay. Now only one, so there is no duplicates. Because from the names it is almost difficult. Because Aditya can have Aditya with another surname, Aditya without surname. So quite difficult to track. If they have identified manually, then we can change them.
I think I've changed it.
This time search might give you some good results, but again, first name can be same, second name can be different. There you will find difficulty. I will show you that search also. Search, what to search is space, where to search is this. Then again, left of this with 7 characters. And again, COUNTIF of this range, comma, same data with double quotes, star symbol. And okay, if you take 2, see Ahmad, this is one different guy and this is one different guy. This guy also, this is different, this is different. Fernando, this guy Paga is different, this guy is different. Not come to know so easily. three different names. These two are different name. This is different. This is different. This is different. Different. Most everything is different. But you can use this method. David has multiple Davids. Okay, this is fine. You can go with the developer names. All text fields which are not, which are manually typed is always, that is always a problem. Is paying customer, what Y means?
Y means active. Paying customer.
Yes, yes, paying customer. A for
A for assignment ended. Developer
assignment.
ended.
Assignment is over. Developer may be in trial.
N is developer. Other one N is
This one. What these are all?
in trial. They are all working and trial basis. 2 weeks trial period.
Okay. So yes is actually a confirmed customer.
A is
A is
either
assigned.
trial failed or assignment ended.
Okay, have to wait for result.
So we want to find out only S and N.
Opportunity start date and this is end date. Without rate. Okay, so I'm saving this file. You want this file to be sent to you because we have changed customer name, or shall I send it end of the day? So what will be your first question? So developer count for each customer per month. Number of developer count. This one, right?
No, the first one.
First one.
Second. Number of active details.
Number of active. So inactive you have not taken here. You said active plus inactive, right?
Active?
Here in the question you are asking for active plus in trial.
No.
But here you have taken only active. In trial you have not taken. 220 and 245. So if we manually filter this for April month. Okay. So I've taken only April month data and you say 220. Active is Y. So while I is 200, taken 220, where is the 20 difference?
Active plus we told okay, you put like this one.
Or should I mention
In trial also.
A? If we take A 231, it will come. For only April. Or is there any other? Or do we take something like this in developer status? If we take developer status active and in trial, so this will be okay, I have to take only for April. 233 it is coming.
Only active.
220. So you have taken from this field, not from this. Okay, so in this should we take in trial also and trial field also?
Trial field we do not. In trial and active we must.
No. Okay, so what I will add is one sheet. Okay, so this is, let's call it as summary view. Okay, so your question would be developer count for each customer per month, right? So what we need to do is, this is description, meaning what is the task name, and this will be month. So month is for April, and this is May, and next onwards we will have data. So we'll create it blank till, should I make it till December? April, May, June, July, August, September, August,
July repeated twice.
April, May, June. That is what is May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay. So with this, we'll have to change this also. Did we change yesterday? We did change, huh? In that case, we'll do this way only. So what I will put is date. Okay. Year is 2021. Month is 4. Date is first day. Okay. So instead of 4, what I will type is, no, we should not do like that. We will say column. What is your fourth column? D. What is your fourth column? D only, no? So that will also give you April till December. It will take May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Same method which we applied there also, we'll apply here. Control 1, go to custom, then we used mmm hyphen yy. So this will also match, and this will also match. Yeah. So this is my description. Take this as a description. This is blank. Okay. So your first question is developer count for each customer, but you have not taken for each customer here.
That is only I put that pivot table.
Okay. Okay. Understood. Okay. This is summary. Then we'll put customer wise. Okay. So this is developer count, or instead of this, number of developers assigned. That will make a good wording. Correct, no? So what are their status? Either who is in active or in trial. So these two are the main keyword for you. Okay, because this should match here on a column.
Or else we can take that y and a. This is what I found out now.
We can take from this also, but numbers will change. Which one should we take, from here or from here?
We take from there.
Okay, so y is active, but you will not get intrial here.
Trial I want it. N is in trial, no?
So all y is a. Okay, all a is both active and intrial.
Active and trial failed are active only for the sake of it. From here only we'll take A and Y will put it for active status, and in trial we'll put separately Y. N is equal to
Y and this is a. So number of y's and number of a's. Okay, so this is one question. What is your second question? Number of
trial failed.
trial fields.
That is number of trial failed is A.
Number of failed trials. Okay, where did you map this? This one. So in raw data, where are you searching this?
That brown color and all is trial failed. That enter and trial failed. He is manually marked.
This is A. In developer status, they have mentioned trial failed. Should we take that? This is trial failed. Total 15. In that, April is 11. But he was mentioning 10. Okay, 11. 11 is fine. And May 4. Okay, so we will take this one. So this is a keyword.
A will be the keyword. No? A is like okay.
Correct. No? So main keywords you need to map there. From which column you are referring, that is what. Keyword meaning in which column you are referring this. Okay. So next is total number of activities.
Actives.
Total number of actives. Only actives. Same only. So is it something duplicate?
No. That will be developer count per customer per month. For example, so you just do this.
Understood.
I'll explain.
So in that 220, there may be one developer who is working for two different clients. Okay. Now this keyword will change. Developer assigned per client. This cannot be in summary. active paying customer.
Number of active developer.
Then it will be same only.
Hmm. Number of actives per month.
So this 200 active contract should we say?
Why? I'm not getting it.
Number of active contracts
Wording
or active assignments.
active actives per month.
Just wanted to make sure that you, when you read this, you will
I
get to know what is the
okay.
link. So this will be Y only.
Y and A.
A is not required. No?
A is in trial.
No. They are
Trial
asking only
failed.
actives.
Trial failed also becomes active only. Trial failed means we are paying, no? So they are active till the end.
So S is already paying. In A,
We are paying.
okay, including trial also we'll
Mm.
have to get. Okay.
All are paid only, but they are asking how much trial failed. We have to manually take out and do.
Customer category count monthly. What is this customer category count?
For example, Disney, I mean, some abstract tokenization means
Hmm.
for this company, how many clients we are working for that month? Customer category.
There is some bronze gold. What was the question?
Customer category wise count.
Okay. In bronze, how many customers are there? In
Customer,
gold, how many customers are there? Number of category wise customer. Okay. So in that case, do you want to see blanks also?
blanks in April month only many blanks will be there. From May only they have made it mandatory to fill the column. So April month we don't know how blanks will be there.
So should we take them?
Only May we can take. April I'll find out. Customer categories. This is one such file he has given. Whole he is maintaining so much record.
Mm.
If I'm okay, if I'm able to do, he said he'll be giving more and more work.
Mm.
But this one I don't know how to do.
Fine,
He asked me, you know Excel?
Mm.
I said, I know bit. He said, okay, you try like that he has given.
Mm.
Now he's asking you learn and you make formulas and like that.
Okay. Average developer engagement duration. Developer engagement duration. Okay.
This is only with formula.
I understand. A repeat engagement. What is repeat engagement meaning?
Repeat engagement means how many developers are repeated for the next month also, existing and new clients like that. Repeat engagement means the developer again and again repeating.
Repeat engagement. You have not mapped anything here.
I don't know about February, no? How many
No,
are there?
April.
I mean, like April, I don't know how many are there in February, so I cannot map how many are repeated in April. So May, I know how many are repeated. So I mapped.
Okay. Tell me how did you do it? One. Give me one sample.
What I did is, I made a pivot table
Okay.
and
were there in both the months.
April, I put the month. So if they are in both, two number will come, no?
Okay, let's take this.
So
Okay, Ayush
I
Kapoor.
filtered only two and I counted.
Ayush Kapoor was there in April and May.
Mm. So April data I didn't take. So May month he is counted as a repeat engagement.
What if same engagement extended for 2 months? It is not repeated. Let's say fast rope. Okay.
That is a see there will be this Aish Kapoor will be till November also.
Then it is not a. It is not getting. He is not getting engaged in two different projects.
He is not getting engaged in two different projects, but
It's the same.
the same for the developer who are working for April. How many of them are working for May also like that?
That also you can consider.
Mm.
Just check that point. I
Mm.
doubt it should not be, because if he is continuously engaged, that is one particular category. His task was defined for 6 months or so, long period. But certain time, if a person completes it early and gets into new engagement, and then his credibility is extended.
But with the company name only.
Huh. Same company, he might get different project. If it is same company, having multiple projects, we can't do anything. It isn't like extension of the same person. That is one kind of credibility. He completed with one company,
That is
he
only
got
he
another.
told any customer I asked the same question.
Hmm.
Uh, that name, how many times repeating, we will just check out like that. He told. This
That is
we can check out with the opportunity start date.
okay. See, for this example, okay, this guy Silver, he worked with Icon. Next time, this given by another person. So his extension is not there.
No, that same name only Abdul. It is reflecting like that.
Okay, so you have to check these names there. Okay. See here, say two times they are mentioned. Show you one example if it is there. So then all this data will go wrong if the names is not right.
We check for the duplicates, no?
If names are like this, we can't do. Like Abdul Kir. Same name, twice they have mentioned. Here also.
We can delete the thing.
So there is space also.
What is trim and all? We trim that space and all will go.
In between only one space is there, that will keep. Outside, if there is multiple spaces, that will go. Okay, got an example. In April, Myla was there. See, I guess it is same.
I'm not getting it.
Myla is the name.
No, no. It
See,
is reflecting. See that function, no? It is that name is coming, but here it is see like this.
too many names.
Mostly names and all will be correct only. Only one name I found out wrong and I changed. It was with character. This with Abubakar or something.
Okay, so that is, let's see, engagement.
So I made a pivot table. Pivot table answers also will be correct, no? Because I found it very. he asked me to do count if the sum is and all. So I told I learn only.
Okay, let's look at after this next one. Repeating new developer
New
added in,
developer added in
which was not there in previous month.
previous month.
New one. So let's go simple ones first. Okay. So number of active assignments. Okay. Yes and A. So are you counting this or are you summing this now?
Count.
Count on it. Whenever it says, whenever your mind suggests for count, then use count if. Whenever your mind suggests that I need to sum, then use sum. Right?
Yeah,
So
I
now
want to
you are
count only.
clear, right? So it is count. So we are to go and apply for count if function equals to count if. Okay. So range and criteria. Now the range is this column in that sheet. So where was y column? Y column was here. Select the entire sheet and look for y's. Here.
After selecting only it came, that raw data.
Okay. I will
Equal
show
to
you again. Equals to count if.
open bracket.
Okay. In the range, click on this range. Go back to raw data and select for C column. Okay. So this is done. Comma. Now click on criteria. It will show criteria. Come back to summary view. Select this cell. Okay. Now this is in date. Control Shift. Okay. So there will be 432 overall from April
to
May. But now we have to do only for April. Right? So this is one condition. Now this is second condition. If there are two conditions like this, one is it should be yes and it should also be in April month only. So count if is only for one condition. If it is multiple, yes we need to add. Okay, so this is one part we have done. Second part is month. So again range will be a column. Again comma criteria, click on criteria and come back to summary, then April. Now we will get filtered for 200. Understood? Can you tell me for this May month?
Equal to count
ifs
criteria is y. Criteria is the
range.
range criteria is before sheet. Y the full column.
Okay.
And the criteria one.
So first comma
Criteria one is
summary sheet y.
And
so in that entire column I am looking for y data.
Okay. Then
Comma
criteria 2 is the before sheet April.
So in this entire month column I am looking for
that one.
May month.
Close.
Okay. Same procedure for A also. What you can do is copy this data and paste it here. Okay. After pasting, drag this and drop it there. This is one method. what I can do is, what you can do is to learn. Okay, so here concentrate only on this formula. This is a formula. You need to concentrate only on these colors. This is red and this is blue. Okay, if I simply copy and paste it here, okay, and press F2, okay, what you need to do is compare this and this, these colors, compare only these colors.
Okay, okay.
So red was here, now red is here. So I wanted this for April and this for May. Red is fine,
Blue is in 200.
right? Blue, here it was for Y,
White.
but here it is for 200. It is wrong. You are getting it right?
Yeah, it's coming.
It should be year
Yeah.
only. So in that case, here you come back wherever this blue is there. Okay, this column is B. When we paste, it was going to C. Okay, so B should not change. B should be B only, right? So here before B, here in the formula before B, you put dollar symbol. Okay, now if you copy and paste, it will be B only. Understood?
Yeah.
Getting it right?
Yeah.
Clear, no?
Okay.
Second problem, here you will not be seeing. Here it is for raw data. This next time when you are pasting it here, it is going to be. There also you need to check. But here colors will not come because it is in a different sheet. Okay. Source data, when selecting only, you press F4 symbol. Okay. Same way, this criteria range, F4 symbol. Whenever you are selecting full column, you press F4 symbol. Okay, so let's do it again. Equals to
count it.
count ifs. Okay, this is range. Whenever you see range, it is full column. Range, full column. Okay, so range is coming. Go back to raw data. I am looking for entire C column. Whenever you see entire C column, press F4. So it is freezed. Comma criteria. So this is blue color. Okay, comma again range is coming. So go back to this entire column, press F4, comma go back to summary sheet and select this. Okay, this is first time enter. Now you can copy and paste and then look for color changes. So okay, blue is a culprit. Here before blue, I will press single dollar. You can press 3 times F4 or just manually put dollar symbol. Now you can copy and paste. Now the answer will come. Same procedure. From this copy, I am putting it down. Now here it was these two colors. Blue is on left side, red is on top. When I look here, now red is making a trouble. So before red, so here it was the red one. So before 2, now it is 2. Now when I come here, it is becoming 3. Okay, it was only second row. Now it is going to third row, right? So numbers should not change. So before 2, dollar symbol. Now copy this here also, here also, here also. Everywhere it should work. Understood? No, where to put, how to put?
I will go and again say
Huh.
this.
Watch this, completely understand. If you have doubts, and then come back here. No. So next time, what you can do is paste it, copy this formula, and paste it here also. Whenever you do for the next month. Clear? Any doubts in this?
If he is asking me to add trial fail also, same formula.
Okay. Let's say he will ask for n. What I can do? Copy this, paste. That will also come. If you have done this changes with freezing, then everything should work. Until unless there is no new condition. We'll say that customer only, you port this customer, then it becomes another formula. Okay, so number of failed trials. So same, are you counting or summing?
I'm counting.
Counting only. So I'm copying this formula and pasting it here. The only thing is source we need to change. From C column, we'll be selecting for this column, O column. Selecting full column, so freeze. So this is 11 and this is 4. So one formula is getting applied for everywhere. Understood, no? You understood why did we use this formula yesterday? For this reason. If you have done in a different format, then we could have not applied this formula.
445 should come.
Which one?
April month, total count.
These two.
No.
432.
Why not 430? 245 something should come.
You have taken from active trial, no? From this column you have taken. What you have added is all three. 439 will come.
No, YA and trial failure all together it should come 244. 240.
480 it is coming.
No, this only month of April.
Month of April. Let's check what you have taken. See, 220 you have taken. Active details for the month of April.
But all together the rows is 244.
465 it should come. But you have told to change it to Y and X, no?
The next answer should be for April 244. There it is coming. How much is it? I didn't concentrate.
Let's say this is April month. Okay. If I take only Y's. Okay. So if I consider only Y's, it is 200. So that is what Y 200 is coming.
Okay, answer is correct. I only calculation. 244. Okay. 231 and 11. Correct.
Okay. This way you need to add. Okay.
244.
242 it is coming. What is that? Another 11, 220. Where is another one? 263. Where did I get 244?
Number of this thing is 245. No? You delete that this column. Header.
Okay, if I say I take only for April, total rows is 244.
That is coming to 42 now.
Okay, in that case you need to add n and put this. Now it will become 244. If you don't take n, it will be short.
Okay.
Understood, no? Should I keep n or no?
To keep it.
Okay, for May it will be 260 rows. Cross check month for May. So 260.
I don't know. Okay. 260.
Okay. You understood these two? Any doubts? No doubts, no? Okay. Number of developers. Okay. This should be easy. Let's do this. Same. Again, you are counting. Okay. There
But
is one
here,
problem.
one problem is April we cannot do because plants are there. Only May we can do.
Only May we can do. That is one problem. Second problem is, let's say one customer name is having a different developer.
Okay.
So customer it is one.
Customer is one. He is working for gold, platinum, silver.
No. Can be.
In the okay, different client is working. Okay.
Different developer. How you want to account it?
I'm inhaling Excel now. So many data. Like, as of now, how I sent is only bronze data I've taken and I put only how many gold is there for that month. Like that I put.
Okay. Let's say another example with this data only. Now I am taking only bronze. Okay. So all three are same. You wanted 3 or 1?
What was the question? Bronze details of bronze. Okay.
You wanted to see 3 as an answer or 1 as an answer?
We are giving three developer. No?
But customer is 1.
What is the question? That one. What is asked for?
Number of
Number of
category wise customer count.
category wise customer count means only one will come. No?
1 should come. If it is unique number, it should come.
Category wise, customer category wise count. Customer category wise count.
Right. So that you cannot do through formulas, to do it through pivot table only.
If in formulas means if we consider each as one means we can do only for May month. April a lot of blanks are there. No? We don't
But
know.
then also you have to take, or you have to create one more column to make it unique, then extract data and then count. You want to learn the formula way or you want to learn easy pivot table way? Pivot table way. Okay.
I will ask that doubt to him because even I'm not sure what he's asking.
Hmm.
The next one is
There are two questions actually like this. One is customer count, this is one,
you
and
mark it.
repeat engagement. So these two are kind of similar, and this also.
All that only I have to come pivoted. Repeat engagements. And
So you wanted three whether I mean to show as three or one, unique ones or repeated ones. Get that clarity. So this you understood now what was the challenge. I will give you sample for this also. Developer count for each customer per month. Okay. So developer count. So I have taken only April. Let's take first developer. He's having only one. He's having one. Oh, one is other mixture.
the developer per month he can work for only one.
From here only I will. So in let me show you. So this is customer. Okay, I am taking this customer. So Divinia. And all the names we have not heard.
Yes, please.
Okay. So Divinia in April month. Okay. So that customer is having three different developers. Okay. Assume what was the question? Forgot the question now. Count for each customer per month. So you wanted to see three for this customer. Okay, because you have mapped for Divinia it is 1 you have taken.
That developer only once is good for April and
But Divinia is actually having three different developers, no? In April.
developer count for each customer only. No?
Huh.
So this
So I've taken only developer, I mean Divinia for April.
no, this the developer. How many of them are working for that company? It is like that. If that
Ideally, I think question is reverse way. For each customer, how many developers we have assigned?
we told how many developers the other way. I will confirm and come.
Check this. Ideally, it will be ulta. For each customer, how many developers we have working?
We are paying for developers only, no? So we told how many developers are working in company like that.
That also you will come
Right,
into this method only. Just give him this filter and then ask him advice. So you wanted to show one for each, or you wanted to show three. Same way, repeat engagement. So let's take only for May. Okay. So April and May was there. So you have 2 months.
That is what I put pivot table. The two whichever is coming, I will filter and I apply the total number. Formula means how count if.
There are 2 months we have to put. That's okay. So this is also same method we have to do. But this can be done in formula.
We have changed only 2 names.
Abdul Qadir. Here the problem is, see, I'll show you. Here it is Abdul Rahman Tayyab. Here it is Abdul R Tayyab.
Okay, I will. We put on name only.
But if there are something unidentified, we can't do anything there.
That one was there. No?
In that case, there it was problem then. I have to change in this, or else, since we have changed your file, I don't know whether I have changed here. Abdul R.
You put Abdul Qadir only once.
I wanted to ask you another one. Let's say in April, he was having 2 different lines. Repeat engagement. I work for 2 projects.
No, like that it will not happen. Only one project representing that.
Okay. Then it is fine.
Either fixed or hourly basis. I'll come tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow I cannot come. I have some Monday.
Okay. Shall I send this file?
Yeah.